Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are safe, and again I am back to teach you one interesting story. Unit 6 in English literature, and the chapter name is Stripes. Stripes, it means that a long narrow line of color which mostly we are seeing on the bees or on butterflies. So in this chapter we will see about one young bee's stories. So before starting the chapter, I request all of you to please stay at home and stay healthy and just be happy at home, spending time with your family's members. Now I must guess that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So just please eat healthy and stay strong. Now let's start the chapter. Bipul is a young bee who has never been outside before. Means Bipul is the young bee. It's the first time when he went outside from his beehives. But there is a problem. Bipul was not happy. Today was the first day he had flown out of the hive. So Bipul was not happy, and today was the first day when he came out from the hives to fly. The queen had told him how important it was to visit as many flowers as possible. Then the queen told that it is very important to all the bees to stuck the like juice from the flowers. He had buzzed around here and there, landing on bushes and on flowers. So he just came out from the hives, and then he just started just moving here and there, and then land also, and he just landed on the flower also. Then the sun was shining and the weather was beautiful, and that day the weather is also very beautiful and very shining, warm and dry. The forest was almost hive with all the bees. So the all forest, it is just full with all bee hives. But Bipul was unhappy. Why Bipul was unhappy? We will see in the next. As he was flying over the pond, he had looked down. Arg, strips! I had got strips. I almost crash landed into the water. Back at the hive, he had gone to speak to the queen. Then when he was flying over the pond, then he looked on faces on the river water. Just see that he is just, when he is flying, then he saw his shadow in the water. Then he just got surprised that, oh God, I got my stripes. Then suddenly he just gone to the hives and he speak to the queen of the bees. Then, yes Bipul, she replied, like all bees you have stripes. Aren't they beautiful? Then the queen replied, yes, like all the bees they have stripes, you also have the beautiful stripes. No, they are not, replied Bipul, and off he flown. And then after he said, no, it's not that much beautiful, and after that he flew away from the hive. He didn't like stripes. He hated stripes. They were so stripy. Why can't I be without stripe? He wondered. Then he just started hating. He don't like the stripes. Then he think that why I can't be without stripes. Just then he saw a horse standing in the shade of some tree. I will ask Mr. Horse if he has ever seen a bee without stripes. Then when he is flying, then he saw a horse standing in the shadow of the trees, and he just started asking to the horse that can be a beast without stripes? Is it possible? He landed on the horse's ear. Good day, Mr. Horse, said Bipul. Then he came through his ears and he said to the horse that good day, Mr. Horse. Get off my ear, and I'm not a horse. The horse moved into the sunshine, and Bipul saw that the horse had black with white strips, lots and lots of them. Then when he started saying that good day, Mr. Horse, then Mr. Horse said that just get off from my ears. I'm not a horse. Then when he gone far away from the horse, then he saw what? The horse had a black and white strips on his bodies. Then can you imagine that a horse has a black and white strips? Maybe the Bipul was wrong. It's true. It's sure that Bipul was wrong, because a horse has not a black and white stripes. So then what happened in the next? For that, you just watch the next videos. I hope till there you have understood the chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.